This is a gadget subscription box from a company called The Gadget Club here in Australia. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at this gadget subscription box service. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this tech mystery box delivery service. What are the pros and the cons? And of course, I've got no idea what is in this package. Let's take a look. Oh, cool. So there's actually more than one thing in here. I was expecting just to get one item, so it's a bit of a pleasant surprise to be getting 3 gadgets here in the one package. It looks like this is the main gadget here, which is a mouse pad. This is the hands-free wireless charging mouse pad. Okay, so it looks like it's a mouse pad that you can use to charge your mobile phone wirelessly while you're at your desk. Oh, it looks like this mouse pad, it's not soft like a regular mouse pad. It's solid and it's got non-slip on this side with a nice smooth surface for the mouse on the other side. It's a decent size, which is good. You'll want to have enough space for both your mouse pad and also your phone. There's a diagram on the mouse pad that shows you where to place your phone to charge. And this mouse pad, it uses a micro USB cable to power it up. And look, it actually works to charge the phone. So far, my only complaint is the cable that comes with this mouse pad is a bit small. Depending on where you've placed your computer, you might need a longer cable to get your mouse pad in the spot that you want it. So here's another thing that came in the box. This is a visible wireless audio adapter. It looks like you can use this to transmit music through Bluetooth to another device that doesn't have Bluetooth. Well, that could come in handy, but for me, most of the devices I'm using already have Bluetooth, so to be honest, I'm not sure that I'd actually use this, but it's handy to have. Here's the other item. I got this keyring. At first, I just thought this was a plastic keyring, but have a look at this. Yep. It's actually a USB stick. 4 gigabytes, so not the largest capacity, but honestly, you can never have too many USB sticks, so this should get good use from me. It seems to work just fine, so no complaints with this one. If you are interested in getting a gadget subscription box service and you're here in Australia, I'll put the link to Gadget Club in the description down below so you can check out their website. So basically on the website, you can buy a subscription box for $49.95. If you pay upfront for a longer subscription period, you will get a cheaper price per month. Now, if you sign up for this service and you get an item you're really not that interested in the terms and conditions, you can return a product and get a refund, but you'll have to pay for the postage. I think it'd be great if Gadget Club included on their website things that have been included in past subscription boxes, just to give a potential purchaser a good idea of the type of gadget that you can expect to get with this service. I know it's a mystery box, so part of the fun is not knowing what you're going to get, but being able to see what was included in previous months could help to give you a bit of an idea, at least what you can expect. One of the things that I do like about this subscription service is I actually never would have thought to buy a wireless charging mouse pad, and it's pretty cool. It's almost like you're getting something that you really wanted, you just didn't know that you wanted it yet. I also think this service could be really good as a gift idea. If you've got a friend or a partner who's really into technology, you could buy a subscription box for a month or a few months and you don't know what they're going to get, but it's probably going to be cool. Also, if you love gadgets but don't have time to think up new and innovative products to order every month, you could pay for this service and then they will come up with the ideas and send them out to you. So for me, the main positives for Gadget Club Australia are you're getting a new and innovative product every month, and you also get the anticipation and the excitement of not knowing what you're going to get and the fun of opening a mystery package every month. Now, the negatives with this type of service are, of course, you don't know what you're going to get, so you might end up with something that you don't really want or need. Of course, you can return it, but you're paying for the return shipping. Overall, I do think that this is a pretty cool service. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.